हे ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का क्वेश्चन पेपर आई होप सभी का अच्छा हुआ होगा। लेकिन आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन 66, इस कोड में 66 है, आपके में कुछ और होगा। यू सी दिस क्वेश्चन, let me show you this question is like this and these are the options given over here. मेरे हिसाब से ये क्वेश्चन बोनस जाना चाहिए। अकॉर्डिंग टू मी this question has to be given as the bonus question by NTA, right? Let's see why, kids. If you see properly this question, सबसे पहले लगता है कि क्या होना चाहिए du. If I calculate this degree of unsaturation, what I will get? X plus 1, that is 8 plus 1 minus y by 2, 8 by 2. So 9 minus 4, degree of saturation is coming 5. That means benzene is there. I have drawn benzene. मैंने benzene draw कर लिया. I have drawn benzene. Now if I separate the C6H5 from here, C6H5, then what is left? This two carbons left, 3 hydrogens left, and 1 oxygen is left. Gives a red orange precipitate, means 2,4-DNP test. Brady's reagent, either yellow, orange, red color it will give. So definitely it is indicating either it is your ketone. If I write ketone, COCH3, so 3 hydrogens are I have consumed, 2 carbons I have consumed, 1 oxygen. Or it can be CHO and somewhere CH3 can be placed. Both the two things, right? Possibilities. Aldehyde ketones, because both gives this positive 2,4-DNP test. Now, my dear students, and it does not reduce phalanx reagent. This is indicating that phalanx reagent, it is not reducing phalanx reagent. But remember that aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde is also not going to give phalanx test. Benzaldehyde gives positive tolerance test, but it does not give tolerance, it does not give phalanx test. What I'm saying, all aliphatic aldehyde gives positive tolerance test and phalanx test, but benzaldehyde does not give phalanx test. So they are saying does not reduce phalanx test. Still it can be ketone or it can be aldehyde on drastic oxidation with chromic acid, that is K2Cr2O7 concentrate H2SO4, that is going to give side chain oxidation, or you can say side chain oxidation, or I can say vigorous oxidation. Both the two possibilities are there, vigorous oxidation. And aromatic compound Q that produces effervescence on treating with sodium bicarbonate test, that means RCOOH or anything which is more acidic than H2CO3 carbonic acid will give this test, right? Now see, kids, now why I'm saying it has to go as a bonus question. Why I'm saying, now see, this is there but it is not COH, so not possible, this is not possible. Now see, COCH3 COH, NTA the teacher, जिस टीचर ने ये क्वेश्चन बनाया उसके अकॉर्डिंग सेकंड आंसर जाना चाहिए था. डेफिनेटली अकॉर्डिंग टू द एनटीए टीचर द आंसर विल बी द सेकंड. उसने यही सोचा होगा सेकंड आंसर, बिकॉज जनरली हमारे दिमाग से निकल जाता है कि एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स, एल्डिहाइड टॉलेंस फैलिंक्स बेनेडिक्ट्स नहीं देते हैं. क्या देते हैं? देते हैं. और कीटोन्स नहीं देते. कीटोन्स नहीं देते तो टीचर मस्ट हैव थॉट this is ketone and this is not reduced phalanx solution while making the paper. by chance ऐसा निकल जाता है दिमाग से. but my dear students, even if I take benzaldehyde, this is also giving negative phalanx test. This will also give negative phalanx test and it is CH3. So this is not possible because COH and side chain oxidation, so this will not be there. But if this is CH3, this is COH and this is COH, this will also give sodium bicarbonate test and it is also giving negative phalanx test. So मेरे according ये दोनों ही होने चाहिए. Both should be the answer. So I am saying it has to be treated as bonus question, my dear students, bonus question, क्योंकि मेरे according ये दोनों आंसर होने चाहिए. Generally people will say that negative phalanx test will be given by acetophenone, but benzaldehyde also gives negative phalanx test, and सारी conditions properly valid हैं, जो इसके लिए valid हैं वही इसके लिए valid हैं. So according to me both should be the correct answer, because ये भी 2 DNP test देगा, ये भी 2 DNP test, both will give 2 DNP test, both will give negative phalanx test, and both on side chain oxidation will produce this, which will give positive sodium bicarbonate test, because it will evolve carbon dioxide which will turn lime water milky. So according to me both should be the correct answer. So this question must be treated to be a bonus question according to me, and I will appeal for this. Now kids, what you say, do let me know. I know that 99% people must have gone for this to be the correct answer. 99%, 99.99% teachers, they have given this to be the correct answer. According to them, this is the correct answer. I know that the one who has made this paper must have given this to be the answer, but me, Baba H.S.P, is considering this to also be the correct answer. You tell me kids, am I right or wrong? Definitely you can check your NCERT or any of the foreign writer book. You will get that benzaldehyde does not reduce phalanx test. So according to me this is also to be the correct answer. All the best, and do let me know in the chat section that what do you think kids. Okay.